right, welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card, you know what, to get Bitcoin back. All kinds of good stuff. Well, we've been featuring for the last month or so, or half a month, 6-in-1 miners. Well, today's show is going to be about BUSD crop farmers. I'm going to literally on the set, claim my rewards, and you're going to watch me in under 3 weeks break even. This is absolutely fantastic. Everybody's always like, oh, these things are scams, they don't work. Well, you're going to watch me today on videotape, claim the money, put it in the rewards, and watch it all how it works. All kinds of good stuff. And got some great news. They're getting ready to launch another one, FTM Crop Farmers. Yep, they got 3 of them. They got BUSD, USDC, BNB Crop Farmers. All 3 of them are fantastic projects, and they're getting ready on the 6th of May in a few days to launch FTM Crop Farmers. You bet you better believe it that Frank's from Frank's Crypto Corner is going to be right there putting my FTM in, because these projects are hot and doing good, coming in hot right now. All right, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and now with 6-in-1 miners, even get in a project or 2. Let's head over to BUSD Crop Farmers. All right, one of my favorite, definitely, remember I was talking about my top 4, which are in no particular order: the Piston Token, My Diamonds Team V2, Crop Farmers, and 4th I would put Drip because they don't hit their deadlines, but I put Drip in my last top 4. If they miss their deadlines, I may put them in 5, but they're still in my top 4. But anyways, BUSD Crop Farmers, let's take a look here. In the contract, oh boy, everybody, this contract just keeps getting healthier and healthier. There's $1.4 million in this contract. There's 7,487 people that have deposited into this contract. What does it say? Hire, grow, harvest. This pays 8% daily, 29.20 APR. There's an 8% referral bonus, a 3% daily hiring bonus, a 12% compound timer, a 4-hour withdrawal cooldown, a 48-hour reward accumulation cutoff, which we're going to talk about here in a second, and 10 times mandatory. How you like that word? Mandatory compound feature. That stops the next line from getting charged 80% tax. If you cheat the system, go ahead, cheat it. You're going to get charged 80% tax. I think you should play by the rules. Let's scroll down a little bit. Yep, look at my stats here. I put a whole whopping $250 in this. Yeah, you know what, everybody, you have to do what's comfortable for you. If comfortable for you is putting $5 in or $10, that's great. Remember this, there's always somebody who's going to put more in than you, and there's always somebody going to put less in for you. You need to do what's comfortable for you. I am not a financial planner. Do your own information. All my information is just for educational purposes only. In fact, I'm actually documenting my journey in DeFi by doing these videos, so 2 years from now, when I go back and go, man, remember that BUSD thing? Look how great it's still going. So I'm documenting my journey here. All right, look at the numbers. My 250, I've already claimed $112. Oh, look at that. The cart is completely not giving any more rewards. Right here, this cart will be full soon. Literally, now that it's not ticking, my actual, right here, my rewards of 140 BUSD is not going to go up at all. So if I was a whale and I decided to put my money in and do nothing, once the cart is filled up, it will do nothing for you too. It's not going to get any fuller. If I waited 24 hours from now and did nothing, my rewards of $140 will not go up. All right, let's go ahead and do this. All right, let's go ahead and do this. This is going to be fantastic. So before I do this, I want you to look at my initial deposit. Do you all see the 250 right here? That's what I put in. I'm blowing it up real big so you can see. So I put in $250, I don't know, 3 weeks ago, 2.5 weeks ago, whenever this launched. By compounding, I have 1152 in there. So let's go ahead down here and let's do the magic, how the magic works. Let's harvest the crop. Got to pay a little bit of gas fees like you do on every single crypto project, so this is not new to anybody. Let's go ahead and hit confirm. Using my ledger, which I believe everybody should do. Hit accept, which I just did. Now we're going to blow this up here and we're going to look at these two numbers. That 140 right there and that 112. Keep an eye on that 112 here as it goes around and around as the blockchains and everything are confirming my transaction right here. Take a look at my wallet at $8.05 to the left there. There we go again. Let's see how long this takes. Usually takes about, oh, it's done. Look at that. Now they took a little bit of gas fee, so I didn't totally break even. I've sold $245, so I'm $5 away from breaking even. That's just because there were some fees. I don't mind that. Take a look at my wallet, how there was $8 in there. Now there's $141 in there. You gotta love it. Even though I'm $5 off of this, I'm going to consider that I just broke even. So doing the BUSD crop farmers, I pretty much broke even right here on film, so you all can see it with your own eyes. All you FUD people out there talking about how this doesn't work and that doesn't work, well, look at my numbers. It surely works for me. Now, again, there are projects out there that are a little bit riskier. There are projects that are going to rug. Don't fool yourself. Every cryptocurrency project is not going to be perfect and stuff. We feel comfortable here at Frank's Crypto Corner on the Crop Farmers. And yes, we're going to be doing the FTM Crop Farmers here on May 6th. Let's, for the viewers out there that have not seen everything, over to the left here, something that's important. You have to approve your BUSD before you actually deposit it. So in the description right here, they have $1,000 there. So right here in the description, they have $1,000 here. If you were only going to approve $100, you would move this to 100, you would hit approve, and that allows the actual platform for down here below here to actually put your $100 in, whatever you wanted to do. So I'm not going through a whole video, but here's a couple things I am going to go over. So you just watched me harvest my crops, and right here the timer has started. I can't do anything now for 12 hours. 11 hours and 57 minutes is the next time I can hire more farmers. Now right here where it says harvest a crop, remember how they said there's a 4-hour cooldown period? Look at the timer. 3 hours and 57 minutes before I can do anything. Up here, look at my cart. Remember how you just saw my cart and it was at 0? Well, now it's at 47 hours and 57 minutes. So that means if I basically get rewards, which I will, oh, look at that. I already have 11 cents since actually harvesting my crop. So let's say that 11 cents keeps going up and up and up, and I do nothing. Once this reaches 47 hours and 57 minutes, my cart's not gonna be full anymore. So another built-in thing to make this program stronger. All right, we're gonna have to feature it for a second. Let's go ahead and click this. FTM Crop Farmers launching May 6th, 2 p.m. UTC time. Clicking it. All right, we're over here at the FTM Crop Farmers. Look what it says, 60 hours from now, 17 minutes and 31 seconds, this bad boy is going live. The FTM Crop Farmers, a couple things. I mean, pretty similar. They've actually lowered the daily returns to 6% on the last couple. That's okay, just strengthens the project. It's got a 2% compound bonus, a 7% referral bonus, a 12-hour compound timer, a 4-hour withdrawal cooldown, 48 hours reward accumulation cutoff. That's what we were just talking about. If you do nothing, hey, listen, I'm going to give you guys some advice. If you're one of those kind of players that are going to get into this and do nothing, don't do anything because you're not going to get rewards because after 48 hours, your cart's not going to fill up. You have to be interactive with these actually crop farmers. And again, look at that, 10 times, like this word, mandatory compound feature, 80% tax. Now, did you notice I didn't get charged any tax? Why did I not get charged any tax? Because I played the game by the rules. I actually compounded 10 times. You saw it said 10. I'm actually going to go to USDC farmers here in a second because literally I'm either at 9 or 10 to show you what I'm talking about. Anti-bot launch. All right, over here at USDC farmers, just to prove a point, there's $422,000 in this. Let's go down here a little quick. Oh, look at that. I got 10 counts on this one too. So since I got 10, I'm going to let this 36 hours fill up. This is actually a gold nugget I'm giving you all right now. I could harvest a crop right now, but I would only get $26. You see 26? I'm not going to do that. I make $54 a day, so you'd have to add 54 to that and probably another 26. When I go ahead and compound, there's going to be about $100 there. I actually learned by doing it wrong that I claimed one time. right when it was at the 10, and then I didn't realize that, and it restarts the count. So I had to do it again. So viewers, here you go, gold nugget. Once you get to 10, like I'm at 10, I am not going to interact with this USDC contract, not for the next 36 hours and 13 minutes and 56 cents. Why? Because I maximize my rewards. Now, again, all my information is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial planner, but this is how the game is played. So right now I'm speaking exactly the rules of how the game is played. I will come on film and actually show you guys when I claim this in 36 hours from now. Notice to the right, I got $129 in my wallet. I will be adding to that. So I wanted to point that out. Jumping back over to the new one, FTM Crop Farmers. I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but everything's the same. There'll be initial deposit, your total deposit, your withdrawals. Notice right here what you're going to deposit into the program, what you're going to compound, all kinds of good stuff. So, talking about this for a second, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any videos that we actually launch. I did a launch today with 15 minutes before the ape and drip went live. Do you know why I did that? It was only a 2-minute video. First time in my career that I ever did a 2-minute video. The reason I did it, because it all changed real quickly. It was going to be a drip actual 6-in-1, and it became a drip / BUSD, and you had to actually use your liquidity, and you had to form them, and everything else, and some people didn't know that. So I actually real quick filmed a 2-minute video, launched it right before, 15 minutes before, so for people that didn't know, that they can actually have time to actually set that aping drip up. I had a lot of viewers actually send back, thank you for so much for the emergency shout out, but the thing of it is actually somebody called me, I should say somebody texted me and let me know about 30 minutes before. 30 minutes before, I didn't even know I had to do that, and all of a sudden somebody called me. I needed to change my stuff, so I felt it was important, transparency, to bring the information to all the viewers that, hey, if you don't know, you need to do this. Now, a couple other things. Don't forget to hit that like button. We already talked about that. There's a thanks button there. If you feel I do a good job, hit the thanks. The referral codes, I'm going to go ahead and list at the bottom, and the reality of it is if you go to a movie and you think the movie's good, what do? You tell a friend. And that's fantastic. When you go to dinner and you think the dinner's good, what do? You tell your friend about that perfect restaurant. Well, here I am. I'm sharing this information with you. If I'm the first person sharing this with you and you break even in 3 weeks just like I did with BUSD Crop Farmers, do me a favor. Use my referral link. I appreciate it. I take time to research this. I take time to educate myself, bring the transparency. So if you feel I do a good job, use my referral link in the bottom. And guess what? We can all have fun together hiring our farmers. And you know the nice thing about those farmers? When I'm sleeping at night, I heard somebody say this to me a few years ago, that they're looking for projects that they can make money when they sleep. Well, you know what? These 6-in-1s, when I'm sleeping, before I go to bed, there's so many rewards. When I wake up, there's more rewards there. So these crop farmers actually allow you, or the Drip Network, or the Piston Token, or My Diamonds team, whatever your flavor of your projects that you like, are allowing you to actually leverage yourself and not only make money from your 9 to 5. A lot of people are looking to supplement their income and make a little bit of money with cryptocurrency. Some people are looking to replace their job. You need to do a lot of homework, but here's one thing I will say. Find something that you can make money at while you're sleeping. And these crop farmers, for me, are pretty excited because I have 3 of them right now, and I'm making money when I sleep. And on May 6th, when that next one comes out, you know I'll be first in line right there trying to get into the FTM. So, all right, everybody. It's been a fantastic video, a lot of excitement. Anytime I break even on a project, I feel like it's a super exciting day because that project it's a winner now. So the BUSD Crop Farmers is a winner for me, and we're going to watch the USDC Crop Farmers when I actually compound on that, and the FTM Crop Farmers, again, in my opinion, it's going to be a winner. Click right here so you can actually watch our video on BUSD Crop Farmers. Click over here so you can watch our video on USDC Crop Farmers. And guess what? We will see you a little bit later on today.